Searching for the best hybrid golf bag feels like staring at a wall of identical black bags. Same dividers, same pockets, same lightweight claims. But here's the thing, the real difference isn't in the photos. It's in how they actually feel when you're walking 18 holes, how they hold up on a cart, and whether they protect your clubs the way they should. Product number 1, Findway 14-Way Stand Bag. First up is the Findway 14-Way Golf Stand Bag, and honestly it starts strong with that full 14-way divider system. At $153.74, it's positioned as a budget-friendly hybrid, and what caught my eye is how each club gets its own sleeve. That means no more driver clanking against your irons. Plus, the dual straps use memory foam padding, which actually helps if you walk a lot. But here's the catch. At nearly 3.7 kilograms, it's heavier than it looks on paper. Some users say the stand legs feel flimsy on uneven ground, especially if you're setting it down on a slope. Now I get that, but for the price, the club protection and storage make it a solid pick. This is perfect for you if you walk often and want serious organization without breaking the bank. Skip it if you're always riding and don't need the stand function. Product number 2, KVV 7-Way Lightweight Bag. Now, if Findway's weight bothered you, the KVV bag is a lighter alternative, but with trade-offs. At 5.5 pounds, it's noticeably easier to carry, and the automatically adjustable straps are clever. They rotate 360 degrees and balance the load whether you're using one or both shoulders. That's a nice touch for long walks. But it only has 7 dividers, not full-length ones, so clubs can still bump together near the bottom. A few buyers mention the zippers snagging after a few months, especially in the front pockets. Still, for under $160, it's a decent balance of weight and features. This is perfect for you if you want something light and easy to carry and don't mind less club separation. Skip it if you play with expensive graphite shafts and want maximum protection. Product number 3, Nike Air Hybrid 2. Alright, stepping up in price and brand recognition, we've got the Nike Air Hybrid 2 at $319.05. Right away, you notice the build quality. This thing feels premium. The 14-way top is clean and organized, and the detachable Nike Air Max straps are seriously comfortable, even after 4 hours on the course. It's designed to work on a cart too, with a cart-friendly strap pass-through. But here's the thing, at 8 pounds, it's the heaviest on this list. And while it has 7 pockets, they're smaller than expected, fitting just the essentials. Some users wish the cooler pocket was bigger. Still, if you value brand, comfort, and a sleek look, this delivers. This is perfect for you if you want a trusted name with solid performance and don't mind the weight. Skip it if you're trying to go ultralight or need tons of storage. Product number 4, Sun Mountain C130 Cart Bag. Now, if you're mostly riding, the Sun Mountain C130 is a game changer. At $333.13, it's an investment, but it's built like a tank. The 14-way top keeps everything separated, and the 11 purpose-built pockets are genius. There's even a magnetic rangefinder pocket and a hidden valuables sleeve. The real win. And the compression-molded base means it won't twist or wobble on the cart. That said, it's not meant for walking, no stand, and at 6.6 pounds, it's still heavy to carry. Some wish it had more color options. This is perfect for you if you ride 90% of the time and want maximum organization and durability. Skip it if you walk regularly, you'll want a stand bag instead. Product number 5, Sun Mountain C130 VLO Stand Bag. Finally, the Sun Mountain C130 VLO, the stand version of the C130, and honestly, it might be the most balanced hybrid here. At 6.8 pounds and $333.13, it's pricey, but it nails the hybrid role. 15-way top, 9 smart pockets, and it works perfectly on a cart thanks to the same pass-through design. And this is a big, but it only has 9 pockets, fewer than the cart version. If you're used to stuffing everything in, you might feel short-changed. Still, for the build quality and versatility, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you split time between walking and riding and want a premium, long-lasting bag. Skip it if you're on a tight budget or need massive storage. So which one's best? If you walk a lot and want club protection, go Findway. Need something light? KVV works. Want brand and comfort? Nike delivers. Riding full-time? Sun Mountain C130 is king. And if you do both, the C130 VLO is the ultimate hybrid. There's no one-size-fits-all, it's about how you play. Let me know in the comments which one fits your game.